Morning YouTube. Still playing with the hot tent, trying to figure out the stove and stuff, and got everything working a little better. Put some bigger wood in it. That seemed to be the problem. Instead of like little stuff, figured little stove, little wood. I decided to just put the biggest thing I could in on top of the coals, and so far it's working really good. Right now we're up to 54 degrees. I tried to put the carbon monoxide thing a little lower since it's heavier than air. It'll pick up faster, but decided I'll bring you guys along for some breakfast. Got my big glob of butter, and we're gonna move stuff around so you can see what I'm doing. Not worth you just watching me talk the whole time. So I'm gonna get everything set up. I'll bring you back, and let's make some breakfast. Alrighty, today we're having some fried eggs for breakfast. Nice, easy. Give it a shot. See how this cooks. Hot, cold, whatever. See if there's any hot spots on top of the stove. But benefit the hot tent, I'm cooking. So just throw it on top. Make sure your fire's going good, and that's about it. Just heat it up. Squirrely squirrel, some butter in there. Swirly, not squirrely, whatever. Get some butter. Let it get warmed up. You can take this eye out of here too, and it'll put the fire rate on the bottom of your pan. I figured I'm just messing with this for now and trying to learn how it works better, so I'd start by leaving it in. So, get this pan heated up here. I do like with this stove, you can fold the sides up. They actually turn into your handles. Or if you have something that you need to pull off the fire, you can just set it on the side of it. That side, this side. It's an 8-inch skillet, so they both fit. It fits on both of them. Probably fit a 10-inch on there if you wanted to. So, crack this door open a bit, let some more air in. Got a pretty big piece of wood in there. Get everything rolling good first. Okay, I see where there's a hot spot. Back by the chimney is hotter, definitely. Okay, that pan's probably good to start cooking. We're gonna slide that back. Some more heat over there. Now, where do you crack eggs? And we'll just go on the stove. Waka! Eggy one. I'm way on more of a hill than I thought. I figured this spot in the yard was kind of flat, so it'd be alright, but eggy two. So, we're gonna get these frying up and see what happens. Let's open this up some more. So I'll bring you back when something starts happening and let you know how long it took, I guess. But definitely need to figure out this stove because it's not burning too hot at the moment for me. Could be the wood, could be something I'm doing, but we'll see. I gotta get her nice and toasty. Bring it back. I can honestly say I don't think you need to close the vents on the roof. I have them open the whole way and they're good to go. It's been warm in here, so I love these skillets. Making me some breakfast. Bubbly, bubbly. Let's see if I can flip these over or if I'm just gonna break them. All right, let's just do the diner style. See if I can do it. There we go. Didn't need a squeegee after all. Look at that. I didn't even break them. In and out, and rushing, trying to do stuff, make a video, keep forgetting stuff. But I didn't bring a plate. I did bring that. Woo. Woo. I got a little cutting board here. So I guess that's my plate for the day. Alrighty. Put that over there. I love these skillets. Non-stick. Beautiful. The butter on there. Everybody like a butter. Sorry. Watching what I'm doing, not to see if you guys can see. And then Like I said, this is still hot. I don't want to put it under grass or nothing. You got these racks. Set it there, let it cool off. So let me move some stuff around so you can see what's going on. Alrighty, got my eggies. We're gonna see how they do. Should have brought some seasoning too. I sucked at that. I always forget something. I ran in and out of the house since I'm released in the yard about 6 times. We're just having plain eggs today. I actually cooked really good. The whites are good, they're not rubbery. I definitely need to figure out how to regulate the stove and everything before I do an overnight in here. Last thing I want to do is wake up dead. But it hasn't been too hard. As long as I keep the stove closed, I don't have any alarms go off. If I have the stove open, alarms start going off. I have vents open in the top. They have screens in them. I don't know if I mentioned that before. But I like this tent. Everything seems sealed. And I also have a section that's like a bathtub floor. And then a screen that goes over it, that part. So that you're in like a regular tent. No bugs can get at you and stuff. But you can still run a wood stove and everything. Probably not going to mess with that this time of year because the only bugs you got to worry about are ticks. But as long as you're not set up in high grass and you check yourself, you should be fine. And you put some bug spray around. But I don't like that stuff either. It stinks. Let's see where we're at over here. Turn this back on. That's better. I had to air it out in here a little bit because, like I said, I had the stove open. I had alarms can go off again. Yeah, maybe not. We're at 0 CO2 or 0 carbon monoxide and 1200 CO2, so it's going down. We're at 63 degrees. That's a plus. So, I'm sure you guys are so excited to sit here and watch me stuff my face. But thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you could, like and subscribe. Thanks for coming on my adventures with me.